Are you going to be hard? Who's not going to be hard? Shut up, Buttercup! Okay. You got your belly full? And puffy skin. Buttercup. Buttercup! Oh, I'm sorry, Kitty. I want you to be next. You want some? Want a bite? This is Buster Brown's. Are you sure it's working?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The record light is flashing.
Sometimes I don't push the button down far enough, and then I think I got something and I didn't.
No, I can see it's recording.
Oh, see, you usually don't eat this good. I'm hungry.
It would be better to do during the daytime, though, because it's lots of shadows.
Well, that's the best I can do. You'll be surprised how it shows up. That's probably good.
Okay.
Just one a day.
Alright. Want me to cut it?